Have you ever felt lost in the labyrinth of legal paperwork? Drowning in a sea of jargon? Wondering if you need to remortgage your house just to afford a lawyer for a simple document? So you're not alone. Many individuals and small business owners face this very dilemma, and that's where online legal services like Rocket Lawyer come into play. They promise to simplify legal processes and make them more accessible, but a crucial question always looms. How much does Rocket Lawyer really charge? It's a question that deserves a thorough answer, because understanding the cost is key to determining if it's the right fit for your specific legal needs. We're not just talking about a simple price tag here. We're diving into the different ways Rocket Lawyer structures its fees, what you get for your money, and how to maximize the value while avoiding any hidden surprises. Let's start by dispelling a common misconception. While Rocket Lawyer does offer some free resources and a free trial, the bulk of its services operate on a subscription model. Think of it like a gym membership for your legal needs. You pay a recurring fee, and in return, you unlock a suite of tools and support. The core of Rocket Lawyer's offering is its premium membership. As of mid-2025, this typically costs $39.99 per month. Now, for that monthly fee, you get quite a bit. This includes unlimited legal documents. This is a huge selling point. Rocket Lawyer boasts a vast library of customizable legal documents. Whether you need a last will and testament, an LLC operating agreement, a non-disclosure agreement, NDA, a lease agreement, or a bill of sale, you can create, download, and print as many as you need. This alone can represent significant savings compared to hiring a traditional lawyer for each document. Ask a lawyer questions. Got a quick legal question? Premium members get unlimited access to their Ask a Lawyer service, allowing you to submit questions online and receive answers from a qualified attorney. This can be incredibly valuable for clarifying legal terms, understanding implications, or getting general advice. 30-minute attorney consultations. For more in-depth issues, premium members receive a free 30-minute consultation on new legal matters with a lawyer from their network. This is a fantastic benefit for getting personalized advice and understanding your options without the hefty hourly rates of traditional law firms. If you need more than 30 minutes or require ongoing representation, these services typically come with discounted rates for members. Document defense. This unique feature provides legal assistance if a contract you created with Rocket Lawyer is ever disputed. A lawyer will legally respond on your behalf, offering an extra layer of peace of mind. Electronic signatures. Rocket Sign. You can electronically sign your documents right on the platform, streamlining the process and making it legally binding. Discounts on registered agent services and other filings. If you're forming a business, Rocket Lawyer offers discounts on services like registered agent fees and EIN registration, which can add up. Beyond the monthly premium membership, there's also a Rocket Legal Plus membership, which is typically billed annually at $239.88, effectively bringing the monthly cost down to about $19.99. This annual plan usually offers even deeper discounts on services like trademark filings and outsourced tax preparation. So, while the base monthly fee is $39.99, committing to the annual plan can cut that cost in half, making it even more budget-friendly for those with ongoing legal needs. But what if you don't need a full membership? What if you just need a single document or a quick legal question answered? Rocket Lawyer does offer options for non-members, though these come at a higher per-service cost. For example, a single legal document might cost you around $39.99 if you're not a member. Asking a lawyer a question as a non-member could cost $49.99, and a 30-minute consultation around $59.99. This highlights the value of the membership if you anticipate needing more than one or two services throughout the year. Now, let's talk about the free trial. Rocket Lawyer offers a 7-day free trial. This is a great way to kick the tires and see if the platform is right for you. During this trial, you can typically create a few legal documents, utilize the electronic signature feature, and even get some basic access to their document management tools. However, it's crucial to be aware that you will need to provide your credit card information upfront. And if you don't cancel before the 7 days are up, you'll automatically be charged for the monthly membership. Set a reminder in your calendar. When considering the cost, it's also important to factor in additional state filing fees, especially for services like LLC formation. While Rocket Lawyer might offer free LLC formation for new members, the state itself will still have its own mandatory fees for filing the necessary paperwork. These vary significantly by state, so always account for them in your budget. So, is Rocket Lawyer worth the cost? For many, the answer is a resounding yes, especially if you have recurring legal needs or anticipate needing a variety of documents. Think about it. A single hour with a traditional attorney can easily run you hundreds of dollars. For less than $40 a month or even less with the annual plan, you get access to a library of documents, attorney consultations, and document defense, a comprehensive package that can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Small business owners often find Rocket Lawyer particularly valuable, as they frequently require contracts, agreements, and assistance with business formation and compliance. Individuals can also benefit greatly for estate planning, real estate documents, and general legal advice. However, if you only need a single, very specific, and highly complex legal service that requires extensive, personalized legal representation, Rocket Lawyer might serve as a good starting point for document creation and initial advice, but you may eventually need to consult with a dedicated attorney specializing in that area. For everyday legal needs and common document creation, though, it's a powerful and cost-effective solution. The convenience, accessibility, and sheer breadth of services offered within the membership make it a compelling option for many. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.